Reliable access to vaccines is essential for a resilient health system. This is how we can protect ourselves from dangerous diseases and pandemics. The COVID-19 pandemic has shown that the global supply of vaccines is not guaranteed in such crises. Africa produces only roughly 1% of the vaccines needed on the continent. It therefore depends on imports and the vaccine quantities available worldwide. That is why it is important to invest in sustainable and sufficient manufacturing capacities for vaccines in Africa too. By 2040, the African Union aims to produce 60% of vaccines on its own continent. Investments in infrastructure and manufacturing sites are key, but not sufficient on their own. Specific framework conditions are crucial for sustainable vaccine manufacturing. The African Union has therefore established the Partnerships for African Vaccine Manufacturing, hosted by the Africa Centres for Disease Control and Prevention. PAVM, supported among others by German Development Cooperation and other European partners, is pursuing the following course of action. As the development of vaccines can take up to 10 years, long-term investment is necessary. In order to develop new vaccines, local companies need to work seamlessly with research centres and other manufacturers. Hereby, research centres should focus on local priorities such as new Ebola, HIV or malaria vaccines. The framework conditions also include enabling more technology transfer, as well as creating pan-African effective and harmonised regulation that precisely regulates vaccines over the product life cycle. This ensures that the vaccines are safe and of high quality and fosters trust in local production. Vaccine safety is vital and should meet the international regulatory standards. Vaccine manufacturing requires highly qualified personnel from the fields of medicine, pharmacy, chemistry, biology and engineering, among others. Investment in education and advanced training programs ensures that companies and authorities have enough qualified staff. Sufficient demand and market potential must be ensured to enable economically sustainable vaccine manufacturing. International initiatives such as Gavi and UNICEF play an important role here. German Development Cooperation, as part of Team Europe, and other partners are supporting PAVM in all these areas to make sustainable local vaccine production possible in the future. Improving these framework conditions will help us to achieve our goal: secure access to vaccines for everyone.